Is Mother Nature real, or was it engineered to trick us? Now, as the veil is being lifted, we can start putting more pieces together. We take reality being real because of nature. But what if it was engineered? What if it was engineered to hide our reality? To hide that this is all just a dream? We are all living inside a computer. If all mountains were melted brick buildings, maybe ice was engineered to help hide this so you can't clearly see it. Just like trees. Maybe trees were engineered to hide it from plain sight so we can't see our real reality. I'm starting to question if anything is real. The more I learn, the more questions I have, the more plausible this theory seems. Truth in plain sight. But what if the plain sight is being hidden? Look how much our landscape is not visible through to what we call beautiful nature. Look here. Look at the clouds. The clouds could be engineered, the snow engineered, the trees engineered. Everything could be fake. Okay, yes, they're really there, but that doesn't mean it's natural. They could be created. And just like animals are meant to be nature, but every day I go outside, I always seem to see a bird fly past me when I'm driving or walking around. And it's as if I'm meant to see it to keep me believing. And that's what made me start thinking that why couldn't that be part of the deception too? All of our history is a lie. So why couldn't it be plausible that Mother Nature was created to hide this reality of this realm? Here is Apples Park. Completely man-made, natural environment. You watch new buildings go up and they put established plants in, and then to someone who hasn't seen this place, it appears as if it's been there for years. All part of the deception. Look beyond what you see for reality. Everything is a trick. Just because they're trees doesn't mean reality is real. Nature could be engineered. Now I know this is a hard pill to swallow, but remember, we once thought mountains were natural, but they too are engineered. So why couldn't everything in nature be? Animals, plants, the snow, even us.